folks, so I want to thank you first of all for watching my channel, watching this video and being a subscriber. So this video is going to be something that I've never done before and something that hopefully I don't do again. It's kind of a little bit of a rant. So YouTube has changed the way that they treat their creators this year, especially those who are trying to do this as a source of income for their families. So, while we have people out there like Rice Gum and some other really famous YouTubers who are making over $60,000 a month by doing things like trivializing rape and just being complete idiots. I know this sounds harsh, but if you watch their videos, I mean, they're famous for being stupid. But while those folks are out there making a ton of money for that, you've got a lot of people who are putting out decent content. They're trying to educate people, trying to share knowledge, trying to help other people out. And now eBay is telling them that if they don't have these minimum requirements, they won't send them any money at all. So here's what I want you guys to do. Every time you watch a video on YouTube, all right, make sure you subscribe and you like and share it. All right. Now, especially if you see like little guys, people who have very few subscribers, if they have good content, help them out. By all means, just subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and share it. Let your friends know that you watched this video and it was great. So someone like Gil Skills is another fellow Mainer who has a YouTube channel. He's had it for about a year, and he's got some really great how-to videos, kind of like stuff like my DIY Daddy channel. And if he doesn't get another 300 or 400 subscribers in the next 6 days, he will not qualify to make any money on YouTube, which is kind of ridiculous. So I'm asking all of you folks out there who subscribe to my channels, if you can, follow the link right down here in the description and go to Gil Skills channel and just subscribe. That's all you gotta do. That's it. Maybe watch a couple of his videos. He's got a lot of great how-to, automotive repair, things like that. His slogan is life improvements, one project at a time. So it can't hurt. It doesn't cost you anything. It helps out, someone who's trying to put out some good quality content. So I hope you take the time to do that. And here is, and there he is. There's Gil Skills. So make sure that you click on the link and subscribe to his channel, watch a couple of videos, and check out some of the other small-time scrappers who put out videos, as well as DIY folks who put out videos. I mean, it's really it's helping the community to grow. So thanks again. Keep on watching. Comment, like, share, and see you all in the next one.